Okay, welcome to Computer Science 101 for the spring second module of spring 2016 semester. I wanted to take a few minutes just to kind of go over the intro to the course here. And I do have another video that I want you to watch. It's posted later down the page in this course. I'll show you in a minute. But essentially what I want to do here is just very briefly show you around the course itself. I am in the Get Started Here area, as you can see here. That is also the link right over here to get into it. So when you log into the course, you'll be sent to the announcements page and then the Get Started Here area. So what we have here first is, of course, the video that you're viewing right now is posted here. It's also posted on the course announcement page as well. Below that, we have some information about discovering computers with Microsoft Office 2013 textbook that is required for this course. Actually, the textbook itself is not required, but the access code to MindTap is, because MindTap is where we are primarily doing the majority of the work for this course, excluding the discussion posts that are required for this course. Below that, I have the how to access your MindTap course. Please read through that. The information that you need to log into the course through MindTap is listed here, as well as the link to the course, which is right here. Follow those instructions and get registered for the MindTap course. If you don't have a Cengage account, you'll have to do that first, but I explained that more in this video right here as well. So take a look at this video next. And then below that is the course syllabus. Please read over the course syllabus. If you have any questions, email me. Below that is the course calendar. This class runs weekly. There are 7 weeks to the course. The first day is Saturday, March 12th, and it runs the first week through Friday, March 18th. So every week runs from Saturday through Friday. So all work that's due during the week is due during that time frame. Okay? And you can see down here, the weeks are listed out here too. This is the MindTap window itself. And that runs the same for every single week, okay? Excluding the last week, which runs Saturday to Saturday, because I give you an extra day to submit the work in the last week of the class. So make sure you understand that the modules weeks run from Saturday through Friday each week. Okay. Okay, moving on down here. Again, there's a snapshot view of the MindTap, which runs by weeks. They're listed out as chapters here. So chapter 1 equals week 1, chapter 2 equals week 2, etc., etc. You get down to the Excel component. Excel chapter 1 is week 6. Excel chapter 2 is week 7. Below that is the course calendar itself, which lays out exactly by week what chapter readings you have to do. If there's an exam, any MindTap training or assignments are listed here, and then the discussion posts. Please note that discussion posts will all be completed in Blackboard, and there are 5 of them. They take place the first 5 weeks of the course, so that would be related to essentially chapter 1, week 1. There is a discussion. Week 2, there's a discussion. Week 3, there's a discussion. Week 4, and week 5. Okay? Now moving down below that, I'm laying out some discussion board guidelines for you. Please read over those. I kind of give you the layout with the initial post and then the follow-up post. So for every post that I give you, there's a required post for you to respond to me in the scenario or questions that I present. This is how you do well. This is how you do average, and this is how you fail. Okay? And then the follow-up post, which means that when other students post, you have to respond to one of them as well, at least one. Same thing follows here. If you want to do well, you follow this, average this, and poorly. Okay. I'm providing you with some tips for online learning in case you haven't taken online classes previously. And then I kind of lay out the technology requirements for you as well, noting that you have to do the MindTap that link is right here. So use the computer that you're going to use for the class, for the MindTap work. Click on this link. It'll automatically start a system check to check to see if your computer is compatible with the MindTap program. Okay. Following that, you have student introductions. Please take some time to introduce yourself to the rest of the class, and that should be done before the end of the day. I'll say I have that on here noon, but before the end of the day on Monday 14th. Okay. I'll go back up here to the menu area quickly. The link to the MindTap is here. I did provide you with the actual URL as well, and then course materials by weeks. That's listed here. And basically, what I have again, giving you the MindTap information here. So you have it in multiple places. Just in case you forget where it is in one location, I put it in multiple locations. And then the weeks are listed here. And in each week, the discussions are in there that are due as well. So here I give you the snapshot for the MindTap activities, and then the discussion post that's required for this week 1. Okay, I'll post another video in week 2 just to kind of go over some of the stuff, addressing the issues that pop up during the first week of classes. But that's it. Get started through, reading through to get started here, information, poster introduction, and then dive right into week 1, because it's really a little bit compressed here in this first week in terms of getting all the activities done that are required for the first week. Okay, that's it. I'll see you all online.